Hello friends, I am Proloy Bhaduri and I am here to teach you the basic HTML5, that is a markup language and most popular and useful in the front-end web development. Web development means making websites, and it includes many steps, and two major part of website development is the front end part and the back end part. We can rename the front end web development as the user interface design and the back end web development as user experience development. Okay, and HTML5 is being used in the user interface development, that is the appearance of websites, that how it's look like. Okay, and 40 to 50% of that, or often call it that 40% of that, the appearance of the website is dependent on the programming language or markup language, that is HTML5. And today we will learn about that. And there are so many books in the market uh, from which you can gather more and more information about the programming language, its tags, its attributes, how to use, how to write the programming language, how to use text editors, so many are there. But according to me, you often you will face many problems, or many doubts will come in your mind, but you won't get any solution of your doubts, any clearance of your doubts. But in this video, I have tried to make a simple way to learn the basic programming language, basic markup language, that is HTML5, and abbreviated for hypertext markup language. So I have tried to make this video uh, keeping this thing in your mind, in my mind, that you are watching my video, and you are watching my video because of gaining something or learning new skill. Okay, and keeping that thing in my mind, I have created this video. So please watch till the end, and if you like this video, please like. If you have any question about this video, write it below in the comment section. And if you want to share this video with your friends, then you can also share this video. Okay, so without wasting time, now go for the HTML5, that is the basic concepts of HTML5, and I will be discussing on that topic today. Okay, so let's start. Before going to the core part of HTML5, let me tell you that how people access the web. Okay, because before we look at the code used to build websites, it is important to consider the different ways in which people access the web and clarify some terminology. There's browsers, web servers, screen readers, devices. What are they? At first, browsers. People access websites using software called a web browser. And you also used that. You are also using a web browser. Okay. Popular examples include Firefox, Internet Explorer, that is current version of Internet Explorer is Microsoft Edge, and Safari, Chrome, and Opera. So many are there. In order to view a web page, that is a website, users might type a web address, that is www.google.co.in, www.google.com, or any sites that you have typed or you will be typing or you are typing now, whatever. So these are called web browsers. Software manufacturers regularly release new versions of browsers with new features and supporting new additions to languages. It is important, however, to remember that many computer owners will not be running the latest versions of these browsers. Therefore, you cannot rely on all visitors to your site being able to use the latest functionality offered in all browsers. Okay, and web servers. In one word, web servers, when you ask your browser for a web page that is, uh, suppose it's www.google.com, and the request is sent and across the internet to a special computer, and that special computer is web server which hosts the website that is google.com. Okay, web servers are special computers. It's a computer and all informations has been stored on that computer. And web servers are special computers that are constantly connected to the internet. Whenever you are searching for a website, from that web server the information is coming. Okay, some big companies run their own web servers, but it is more common to use the servers of a web hosting company like GoDaddy, like HostGator, like Hostinger. Okay, and screen readers. Screen readers are programs that read out the contents of a computer screen to a user. They are commonly used by people with visual impairments. It's a simple thing. And devices, at last but not the least, that is, people are accessing websites on an increasing range of devices, including desktop computers, laptops, tablets, mobile phones. It is important to remember that various devices have different screen sizes. It's a simple thing that you can realize it, that the sizes, screen sizes of a laptop or of a desktop or a mobile phone or tablet are different from each other, right? So the website have to be responsive for each and every device. Okay, so this is the basic thing that you should know before going to the code part of HTML5. So now we are going to the basic HTML5, and let's see what happens and how to what are in the HTML5. To write an HTML code, you need a text editor. There are so many text editors in the market. Okay, and I'll prefer for Notepad++. You can see here Notepad++. You can see here that is Notepad++, or you can go for brackets. There's a brackets. Okay, so I will be using brackets here, but you can also use any other text editors, right? So go to brackets right now and create a new file. Create a new file. New, and name it. Go to save as and name it. Name it as index.html. You can name it anything in the place of this index part. You can also give your name here, but always remember you have to write this .html part of your file name. don't forget to give this .html. Okay, if you don't give this .html, that is the file extension, then the computer will be unable to read your file. Okay, you can change only this index part. If you don't want to put this index, you can put your name here also. So I am saving is as index.html. Okay, okay, I'm now saving it. Okay.